Hey everybody, so you guys asked me if I could make a tutorial video on how to navigate Loom, and I'm here to deliver. Now, before we get started, I just wanted to say that this is a great platform to use with your students. It's a great way to present new material. And did I mention that it's a free platform? It's similar to screencasts. The only difference is that it's free, of course, and some of the features are a little bit different, but for the most part, it's very similar. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you want to do first is, of course, go to loom.com. So let's type that in. And the home page looks something like this. So what you want to do is click Get Loom for free. So let's click on that. And you want to create a free account. So you're going to enter your email, or if you want, you can sign up through Google or with Apple. So I'm just going to put in my email. I already have an account, but I just wanted to show you guys how the whole process is when you are creating your account. So let me create my free account, and you want to put your first and last name, and you want to create a password. Now, if you sign up through Google, you don't have to go through this. You just have to select your email and it'll take you straight to the next page. So I'm gonna wait for that to load. And then you just need to verify your email. Okay, so it's gonna ask you, what will you use Loom for? So of course you're gonna choose as a teacher. So you're gonna click as a teacher, then you're gonna click continue. And so the cool thing about Loom is you can access it two different ways. So you can download the desktop app and you can use it on your desktop, or if you are a fan of Google Chrome like I am, then you will download the Chrome extension. And as you can see, I already have it installed and it's up here. And I also have the desktop just in case I want to do something different. So I think it's pretty cool that you can use both. So once you are done installing both of those, you're just going to click continue, and it's going to take you to your home page. I want to talk about how the application will look once you are ready to record. So the first screenshot is the desktop function. So as you can see, a little bar comes up and you have three different options. You can do screen and camera. So if you want to be on camera while you're talking, you can. Or the cool thing about it also is if you don't want to be on camera, you can switch between the camera and the photo like I have. Or if you don't want this on at all, you can just choose screen only. Or if you just want the camera to be on, you can choose camera only. So it's up to you. So once you decide what feature or what function you want to use, choose that, and then you will click the start recording. So it gives you about 3 seconds to get your thoughts together, and then you'll hear a beep, and then you can start recording or start talking. And if you don't want to use the desktop application, you can just use the Chrome extension. So like I said, what you would do is you would click here, and this will pop up, and same thing, choose which function you want to record in and start recording. You have this toolbar over here to your left. So as you can see, you have the stop recording feature. So once you're done, you'll just hit that and it'll automatically take you back to your home page so you can edit your video. You also have a restart button, so if you don't like how the video is going, you can restart. You can also pause it if you need to stop for whatever reason. And if you don't like the video at all, you can just cancel it or trash it. And you can also draw or use this tool to highlight whatever you need to. So if you're trying to emphasize anything, this is a cool feature to use. And then you'll just click done. So it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty user friendly. So let's go back here. Now, once you're done recording your video, and let me log out of my dummy account and go to my actual account so you guys can see that. Okay, so as you can see, I already have 4 videos in my video home. So if you need to edit anything, if you made a mistake, or if you feel like your video is way too long, then you can edit your video. Okay, so you would just click on the video you want to edit. And also the cool thing is you can copy the link and paste it to whatever platform you need to. You can also invite people to come check out your video. So you can invite your students, but I would just copy the link to the Google Classroom or whatever platform you want to use. So here is the tools to edit your video. So if you need to trim your video, you would just click here. Okay. And as you can see, I've already edited this video. So as you can see, the red is where I trimmed or took some things out that I felt like wasn't necessary. So in order to trim your video, you'll just click start trimming, and you can either position this red bar to the section you want to cut out, or if you know the timestamp, you can go back and forth and choose the time that you want to edit out. So once you have decided what you want to edit out, you would just click the remove button. Okay, and if you decide that you want to keep it, you'll just click cancel. So I'm going to click cancel. Okay, and that's pretty much how you edit your video. Let's go back. So we're just going to click my videos, and it'll take you back to your home screen. So let's see. I also, before we finish, I also wanted to show you custom thumbnails. So let's click on this. And if you want to add a thumbnail to make your video stand out, you can choose a thumbnail. So you just click browse, whatever is saved. So if you have a thumbnail in mind, you can choose from your pictures. You can make a thumbnail. I would suggest you make a thumbnail on Canva, but of course we don't have time to do that, so you can just leave it as it is. But if you're extra like me, Canva is a great resource to make thumbnails. So I'm just going to use this as an example just to show you what it looked like. And you can drag and position this as you want. Then you would click save. I'm going to let it load. And this is what it will look like. So if you want to make a title page like how to access Google Classroom, this is a great way to do that. Okay. So once you're done with your video, you'll just hit download. It will save to your hard drive, and you can upload it to whatever platform you need. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope that was simple enough for you. So if you still are confused, if you still have questions, feel free to email me or message me on Facebook, and I would be more than happy to help you. I hope that this video was helpful. I hope the instructions were clear, and good luck. Have fun with it, and please, guys, please try not to stress, because I know it's a lot going on. I know everything is new, but let's just try to stay positive, and I'm here for you guys. All right, see you later.